be a lot briefer than 45 minutes. I'm the chairman of Broadstreet Finance and board of directors and friends. I think it's an important day for the rebranding of Divasa Finance as Broadstreet Finance. I want to congratulate them. And I think the first song that was sung, I forget the name of the original singer, but to dream an impossible dream, I think is very appropriate for Sri Lanka and for all who are doing business in this country, that we have been able to change the way this country has believed in itself, and that's, I think, one of the most important ingredients that has helped us to be successful over the last several years. So this is an opportunity once again for a newly branded finance company to take on the challenges of the financial world, and we are hoping to rebrand Sri Lanka to be able to go forward with a greater confidence in the global challenging world. So I would wish Broadstreet Finance all the very best in its activities, and I know that with the support that they would have from their shareholders as well as their depositors, they would be able to grow and also ensure that they will contribute to the prosperity of our nation. Thank you very much, and all the best to all of you. Thank you.